I'm here at my church and they have these beautiful flowering. Oh, there's a bee. The first time of the season. Queen bee. These trees are really beautiful. Today is May the 6th, 2015. Here's a look. I'm going to show you the other part of it. It's just gorgeous. Look at that. I could still hear the spring peepers in the background. I'm definitely going to take some pictures of this beauty. And there's another one over there. It's not doing so good. I don't know. It doesn't have as many blossoms as it usually does. It's still cute though. But this one's the best. Anyways, just wanted to show you this beauty and please subscribe and give a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Oh wow. What kind of a bird was that? Oh, it's back in there. See part of it. Ooh.